What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. I went ahead and picked up two Samsung Galaxy Note 2s in the Marble White edition. That's right, two of them, because I'm going to be giving one away here on the channel to a lucky subscriber out there. Now all we need to do is reach over 300 likes here on this video and I will be giving away this Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Let's not waste any more time, let's go ahead and get back to the unboxing. First off, let's talk about the screen. We have a 5.5 HD Super AMOLED 1280 by 720 full touch bar screen. Now my first impressions are that it's light, but appears to be made of superior quality. This is my first Android device and my first Android phone ever, so I am really excited to get into the Android ecosystem and bring you guys some more Android related videos as well as my normal Apple content that I do bring here on the channel. Now here we have just a start here guide. Go ahead and put that out of the way. Next up we have our included power cable. Now the Galaxy Note 2 comes with some awesome cameras. We have a 1.9 megapixel front facing camera as well as an 8 megapixel rear facing camera. Now when it comes to video, we have HD 1080p recording playback. Now the operating system that we're running here is Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. And we also have a user interface of Android 4.1 mixed with TouchWiz. Now we also have an amazing 1.6 gigahertz Equinox quad-core processor with 2 gigs of RAM, as well as a S Pen. We get S Note as well as S Beam and Android Beam. Now we're also going to get 4G LTE, NFC, and a 3100 milliamp lithium-ion battery. Now let's get more familiar with this product via some macro shots. Now here we're taking a look at the 5.5 inch HD Super AMOLED display with a 16.9 screen aspect ratio. Now with this Note 2, you're going to be able to multitask at a higher level with the included S Pen. Now speaking of the S Pen, let's take a closer look here. And you can see here that it is fitted flushly into the body and the unit of the Galaxy Note 2 itself. Well, that's going to wrap this one up for me guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. I got plenty of videos coming up here, including speed tests. I'm going to be giving you guys a gaming demo. And let me know down in the comments section what other videos you guys would like to see here on the Galaxy Note 2. And remember, if we reach 300 likes here on this video, I will be giving away this Samsung Galaxy Note 2 to a lucky subscriber out there. Now, I've been working really hard to try and bring you guys the most giveaways I possibly can here in the month of December to try and give you guys a better Christmas and a better holiday season. So smash that like button for the effort. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.